There's definitely footprints back here, so we just follow them. Actually, I gotta pull up the actual camera too, because this shit's pretty. And it looks like nobody's gone this way, so... But yeah, my feet are gonna get fucked back here. But it looks like this is the route, because there's definitely a route back here. Hopefully this isn't filled in with water. I'm actually losing a trail here. I'm scared to go down into this. I'm not gonna go down into that. I can see the building. There's a fence over here. Oh, I just got dumped on by fucking snow. Oh, open gate. I feel like if there's a camera, it's gonna be on this water tower because of 5G shit. We just gotta get in the building. I'm like looking for trail cams and shit. Oh, holy shit. I got snow still falling on my head. Let me check my camera battery. 54%. I'm just really worried about a camera on this fucking shit over here. I low-key would rather just, like if I'm about to be walking through, I'd rather cross through this shit. Or crossing through this back area. Cause I'm worried about a camera being on this active shit. Cause there's a fucking definite active lines on this shit here. And like I said, there was tire tracks going around this spot. I don't see any cameras on any of this shit. I'm gonna try and get... I don't see a door open to this building either. Take a flick of this shit. This shit looks crazy. This is nuts. Literally. Yeah, there's definitely no cameras on that shit. I just need to find an actual way into the building. This shit looks pretty sealed up. I just don't want to walk by those fucking tire tracks. Black Hawk helicopter. This is so fresh. It's so dark in here. I just pulled my ass getting through that window. Well, we'll make this shit quick because my tire or my feet print completely give off that I'm in here. Okay, so we in the actual shit now. This place looks so gutted out, it's crazy. Essentially what my camera sees, like what the actual camera sees, is about how dark it is in here. It's fucking dark. We just walked into this room. There's just like endless lights. They look crazy. I did get some intel that this is a pretty high drug dealing spot, which is probably why the cops patrol this shit. Now that we're in though, we're pretty much fucking good. Until we have to get out, but we just have to get back to that fence line, get back to the trail, and back to the whip. It's low-key far, but yeah, so this is my second solo explore in a while, and this shit is beautiful. This shit is actually fucking beautiful. I definitely feel like there's a car driving down. It sounds like there's a car driving down the road. This place was probably really cool before it got fucked up. I need to go look out here real quick. Outside area, it looks like a tiny ass footprint. Oh, there's stairs coming up. This is another entrance and exit. That's good to know. I don't know if I necessarily want to go out here though. I don't think I'm gonna go out here. I think we're gonna look for another way to go up inside. Just because I don't want to be on the fucking... I also have to pay attention to my camera light because I couldn't charge it all the way. I'm not trying to be in the fucking pitch black in this bitch. Here we go. This is where we'll be able to see if anyone's in here or not. So yeah, if I lower the fucking, yeah, you can clearly see the tire tracks pulling in off the main road. Bro, it be sounding like fucking. Alright, that's pretty much it of this place. There's not too much here, so I think it's time to dip out and go link with my dad. I just want to do a quick little solo explore while I was out here. And I'd say this place did a pretty good job at that. Oh, there's a basement. Holy fucking shit. Let's go check real quick. This used to be the front door. Yeah, fuck this. The basement's is fucking back rooms. Alright, yeah, we got a time limit though. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Where are my old tracks? Here are my old tracks. Get back into the woods.